Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you the newest airdrop on the Solana network, called XVM. In honor of its release, a big airdrop with cool rewards is being launched. Now I'll introduce you to it a little bit. If you have any meme coins like Shiba Coin, Dogecoin, Tramp Coin, then you can get an increased percentage of this airdrop. In order to find out if you have the opportunity to take this airdrop, you can go to the site using the link in the description and in the comments. Let's move on to the functionality of this website. On the main screen, we have two buttons, Join Airdrop and Learn More. Below we can find out what airdrop is, as well as see all the active statistics of this token. As you can see, it is gaining popularity. Then we can read the reference material. And at the very bottom there will be social networks. Let's go to Twitter. As we can see, we have been transferred to the official page of this cryptocurrency. To get an airdrop, we need to connect our wallet here. The site supports more than 90 wallets, and among them are the most popular. For example, Phantom.Solflare, OKX.Trust Wallet and many others. Remember, if you connect active wallets to the meme coins that I mentioned at the beginning, you can get more XVM. Don't miss this event and register right now using the link in the description and in the comments. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Share your results in the comments. Yours was with you.